Hey Flurbird, Sonne here, and I did an oopsie, guys. Yeah, that was like a really small brain moment for me. I accidentally deleted the fourth part of this tutorial series, so now I cannot show you how I did set dressing. But um, I'm still going to show you guys a little something I did here. Okay? Um, So in the time lapse, I finished up like the building. Doing that. What I'm trying to say is, I made a couple of mistakes. One of the mistakes is trusting that the LODs from Quixel are good. They're not. They're not good. They're pretty fucking shitty. Okay. Um, if you so I imported like all this stuff again, but then only with LOD 0. But that's a bit hard for even my laptop. What you do, you open the thing, the the static mesh, and then you go to the LOD settings, LOD settings, and I just choose the LOD group for level architecture. Well, this thing, and it will generate, I think, 3 LODs, but you can, of course, just make like more of them, like 4. I think 4 is like a good amount of LODs. And to show you guys, um, this is LOD 0. If I zoom out, you will get LOD 1. And if you remember, um, the same thing happened with the Quixel stuff, but as soon as you like hit LOD 1, the lighting was all bad and it looked like a piece of shit. Um, and I don't like that. So now we're on LOD 3. So let's keep it on LOD number 3. And you see, it's still actually pretty much the same. See? Even though there are like only 1400 triangles now. And when we go to LOD 0, we got 11,000 triangles. So that's a huge difference. Um, so yeah, open up Bridge. So these are some of the assets I downloaded for Let It Flow, for the map thing I made for Let It Flow. It was really fun working on that project. Um, do I have like anything? Oh, I still have those in my library. Okay, so for example, just take this thing. No, let's not do that because this thing is somewhere in our scene. Let's take this one. That way we can like export it to our scene and uh, yeah, set this back to Unreal. I've been playing with Quixel stuff in Blender, and guys, it's amazing. It works flawless. It's a lot faster also than exporting to Unreal. Um, Polygon location, default project, uh, Unreal project, like and subscribe, content. Okay, there you go. So models, untick those and just download LOD 0. Okay, export it. 2K resolution. Well, we can go 8K. Doesn't really matter. At this point, just hit export. Well, actually, I should have export settings. Let's do it with like this thing. Models. And just export all the LODs. 4K resolution, whatever. And hit export. And now if we go into this project. Oh, it's still importing. Yeah, it will take like 1,000 years. LOD imported successfully. Your mother is so proud of you. Okay, there you go. It imported. So, go to static mesh and you will see this. So this has one LOD and this has 6 LODs. Okay, so if you put this here, 90 degrees, that's fine. And if you put this here, also rotate, that's cool. See, even the LOD is not like... See what I mean? This is straight out of Bridge and it sucks. This is broken. I cannot use this. Delete. This on the other hand, this is perfect. It's just one LOD. And let me change the time of day a bit so we get a little bit more sunshine. Straight like this. Yes, perfect. So there you go. And this asset is perfect. It's perfect in every way. You can zoom in, you can do close-ups, and it will look very good in like any situation. And if you go to the performance, this stuff is quite performant still. Okay? No problems here. So, but you want to make a video game using stuff like this this wall with a window. Just go to LOD settings, choose large prop or level architecture, yes, and it will automatically do everything you need. And now you have proper LODs. See, and there's like no reason why you should have like a higher level of detail for your game. I mean this or this. Can you spot the difference? Okay, it's a bit crooked, but you know your brain kind of filters this out and it will not be able to tell uh little details like this if they're not very obvious. Okay? So that's how I work with LODs from Quixel assets. Um, Unreal, Epic Games, Quixel, whoever, please fix. What else? So yeah, I got this fountain, um, and it's from the Downtown West pack. Also, I got like the chairs and the tables and the parasols, um, and this nice bench. And guys, it's just a matter of slapping stuff together and see what sticks. Okay? I got the sidewalk, which really improved like on the visuals over these tiles. And I think I should remove those. I don't know how Unreal works with stuff you cannot see, but um, it's probably better not to have like useless shit in your level, okay? Also, I got like this thing. Yeah, this thing. It's also from the downtown pack. Then I got this nice sports car from, well, obviously the vehicle variety pack that everyone is using. And I put this thing over here. That's quite nice. Light poles. Yeah, I put them in the ground because they were like way too high. If you just put them like this, that doesn't work for like the look and feel of the scene. So that's that. Um, and then there's also, of course, the like the foliage. I just spawned in some foliage. I didn't think about doing it. I just did it. Okay. What else? Yeah, this road. I can't remember if this is like in the previous video, but this is actually the same road that I use in my tutorial series on the advanced vehicle system. So it's very nice road stuff. See, it automatically works with whatever you do with it. Um, and there's a spline for the fence. Was it a spline or did I just... Oh no, I just copied this. Or did... No, I did not. I created a spline. Yeah, it is. So basically what I did is I created a spline like this. And you have to... Oh, there you go. So, yeah, just select all the segments and I just slapped in the fence. And then you can use spline points and they're quite tiny. But there they are. And you could just build a fence like in a couple of seconds. Just clickety 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 click all around your map. Because you don't want any wild animals going. So that's basically it, guys. And then I added like lights all around, and that looks pretty cool. I still left the tiles over here, and of course I could like improve on that, but um, I think this project is. Oh yeah, one more thing. This ivy. I just put like a lot of ivy on the top of the building because it really uh, shows the some aliveness. Is that even a word? Anyway, yeah, this will be it. If you guys want, I can package this thing. Oh, one more thing. I also added DLSS Ultra Performance. There you go. And go to full screen. Oh, okay. And then hit play. And now it's in DLSS and um, yeah, it runs not really good, but I have like no idea why, and I'm not going to find out because I'm done with this project. This Flurbird, out. Bye.